Mahu videos ya HW. Motorbikes na muhuno motorbikes President Mahama nua Ibrahim Mahama atwa fira monone or de ba beboa Kenya Japan campaign. Send a beya obitimi awini elections no. Now we from reliable source munim se me ntwa montro. Party hu dunti na me yesade we. Na enti ya menya ne se almost omo ba ma polling station bia motorbike back polling station bia across the country motorbike back. Na sabre ya menemo kase Western North for e de akwa akoduru ene na etwa gudu currently we call Western North now we call Sehwi Asanyo so Kenya Japan regional campaign coordinator e friend Pius Abekani fi e ho na currently omode Western North motorbikes aye de kwa koma polling station for e wo ho akwa akogu na enye no nko Western North approaches se munyina mu ne approaches Ibrahim Mahama container wakraba Ghana yehye emo ne anwa aguma yesi yede ba bema delegates approaches ana take delivery of it na omo chairman delegate instead of so omo bema delegate bia emo bottle bag ba ko a ehemu 5 no omo yiyi just one every mu no omo de ma delegates say delegates for no omo sign bomb kro no aka ho na you see MPP delegate When say NDC, invest a lot of resources, a lot of energy, a lot of time campaigning and working for Kenya Japan. Send a MPP flag bearer because they know so no be flag bearer of MPP. A be easy ama NDC. No matter me a power in 2028. No matter me win elections. So that's why Oma take a lot of time and resources. Oma invest a lot of resources in Kenya Japan campaign. Official say first week of January. And Oma money 207 million Ghana cedis. No. Maybe can't once I'm time a controller and accountant general. That's what check no and the mark in Japan. And basically almost yes I am winning because almost lose about me every year. And ya the NDC betting me win 2028 elections. Na Kenya Japan a winner a betting me a bomb a more matana power. Into we MPP delegates at TNT. And never no more day ban J motorbikes and a monje. A morning and one monje 100 Ghana cities no more their account no monje namundi. Now so mama party ni hunyamo. Mama MPP hundo. Indi mweni mukai. Na montu abani intia Kenya Japan. Mama ni hu say won't mean the party namboro. And sell party ni to NDC. Na won chana hu emba. Embe country and say young reward on with the topmost position in the party. In the name of Munjindi, but Montwabana, Emma Dr. Baumia. As time goes on, information be a better PBA.
Ye NPP primaries no near why and AD and him as a flag bearer no. I'm not going to rest upon certain key issues to form any echo. I'm up for Kasa. Especially those coming from abroad, our mobile betuaba. The brain was so mudia buffo and never betu sabawi. A DNT and no mudia buffo, ever betu sa abawi.
Baumianego.
What say if you come to my mouth for the buffo never to about the mouth of the Mahmoud Baumia?
Mudia buffo, are they?
Contumpona does assist any mundo. Now, shall a contumpo much China, it would have a boom car reserve, a German betuaba. Now, I declare myself a Baumia seminal. A tiny door on the door. So some of us who know. You're free to be a Trump.
It is alluring to his benefit.
Yeah, a tiny door. I saw Baumia. I say, you will be said, Baumia, Baumia derangement syndrome. Like Trump derangement syndrome. Some people, a be on ma, Baumia or Tini Dinkrana. Just say, not the way.
You see, it looks as if say Adiano Aquaquaya or time, okay? We have moved away from campaigning and canvassing for vote, but rather acquire or time hatred. I say a nina or Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me knew a chin yard where free crank crying. Obia time Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Me tumra. No ma Chelsea and I'm in Jebia and a penny Cassipa and Quebec se bonso our dancium our NPP mu a quatina media no sassy say okay can't be.
Did you vote just to come in? Did you vote 24th December, 7th December 2024? Did you vote?
No.
You didn't vote?
I didn't vote.
Whoa.
And I said it.
You didn't vote for Dr. Baumia?
No.
Your party's presidential candidate. Your vice president, you sat in cabinet with him.
Because I didn't like the way he was elected.
Did you tell him that you didn't vote for him?
Who?
Dr. Baumia.
Yeah, he's not my friend. I don't meet him.
If you were...
And you know, 2 weeks to this election, all of a sudden, and pennyphobia, omu dia dodo dear, and one another danko kufuad wa mamum, na yanti woman ka wo nioma AC or Ghana you be beer hair. LGBTQ plus whatever the question kola you yanti woman ka so mu kebi and you may see Ghana nani yanti woman ka so mu kebi. But all of a sudden they have finally find their voice. And when you listen to their sayings, any woman samu omuka a pure hatred. But Enfada. Let me ask. A question your first selected Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Obi Tintim Obinsa. And you about Tosun Yakoi. And you two about the man Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So why the hatred? At the end of Apanawaye. And those of you who doesn't know, all this is some kind of tiny pulling him down in the training now. Nina come Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We the youth will not settle for less. We know what is good for us and what is good for our party. Abusia, so your delegate, Nasa Wood Yemia, and Indiana Hobrasium, and ye obvious and very clear. Say some penny for when you are Monsamu Mokeka, our Mudia that candidate in the and your almost selfish interest and qua. Ubian wo did jaubi, some for your moka saying Nano, or Munenya Adodia Cassia, and what Danko Kufuadu Amamum. It's the castle be the dear Jobia and Ka a womo. Abusia mesraw me power chopper so woni ya bi so adamfo bi so mami na papa bi delegate catch and say on to number 3 let us vote massively for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to win decisively on this contest or your number 3 on the ballot paper.
Abusia etuato engineer coverage Japan watu pe sare wa tackle MPP Judas ab. What if your video no? We are bra na me ma just be. Finally, yenya MPP penia wanya kukuduru. Akole kene Japan out on abura with the MPP party. Abura with the MPP government. Ebrana ya war power. Ebrana ya quite elections in 2020. It's as we ma can. But MPP mpenifu ebubu nuegu masum atu mano na reka fieros. Cowards in the party. Finally. Makuma Tom Yem. Fabne Japan has had the courage to call Canadian Japan out. So as way I've been saying it. Second Japan you Judas or you traitor or you bro or you wicked. That papa no. Or you wicked. Papa MPP ayeno. Amana ye billionaire over the years. Contract the man in the now so o channel attacking MPP, binding MPP government, a creating impression is all national or party, and everybody is quiet. Everybody is quiet because we are cowards. Because we are fearless. Everybody is thinking about a political career. Me can Penibi, former MPP to me friend say, and Charles a political career, no being so testament that we but hey. And those people, I remember I told that MP say, MP, Master, honorable. What say can a Japan I betray party in America? Into that in be a will be me be a signing back on a channel. May channel any be a jukuna become but I will say, oh, mafia Charles. Hey, one when I made a can a Japan. May the bear times 10. I will be on you back to back on all platforms. That is me, Mugamu, and I will be plain, blunt, straightforward, attack on. So be back. Hey. Me say MPP for moye man pa Kenya Japan no kasa moye man because nkwahye asem a wadi nyina achi am obi antimi enkasa obi antimi attack no obi antimi we akosi amenu oya politician a we ne ho asi was obesom ne man Ghana ene ne political party MPP we a prophet El Bernard ono so ye nyame akoa we ne say wie ye meremu wonka enkwaje nsem enkyere adasa na onyi omu firi omama ne omo haw no fa yidie embre ne congregation. Ordinarily, come you know we omuni chaka. They are worst apart. Na ene Sunday. Also for El Bernard, with all the tax ka nyankopon e dia man. Ne congregation omo mudi nachi ebedware afa hyen akwa akotena na asore dem. Eso omo kwa akutie enkwaje nsem. Na also for El Bernard ebenya adaje take time off. Aka akusia menu enho asem. The last time I share a video bi a wose akusia menu embuade emfa hin kusin. Na me busa me ho say ya akusia menu we no ka na asem ana say akusia menu foforo. Ana asem in also for El Bernard Abrabumono. Obi yusu akosia menu body ede bibi na sebi yenim because akosia menu a yenyina yenim chese wo kasakra na ye ne den akosia menu a yenim she's the type of one wo kasakra na ofere emfa hu ni age one wo kasakra no wasi ni ti ase na ne nsa de da ne nsa yem ne nsa gugu na chim akosia menu a bubu obia emfa hu se wo ye osikani wo ye ohiani wo ye akola akosia menu omo didi na tema she won't even respond. But also for it take time off from the actual Juma Yankopon and the Ashanesa. I will akosia menu me hu video no me se femi akosia menu so abreu Kevin Taylor now we didn't tem now we didn't tem now we didn't tem ni na on respond you and the baby akwakopi mu ne se osofo anya me yi say kan kwaje sem e kire congregation na enu nti na congregation omofa ka efro mu fie omadware a hihye omo chepe abetena ho Hon Ken na akosia menu ana wode na ato apa waso ana wo horo no abusiafo ye besre say prophet El Bernard say ye besre no on focus on nyame adwuma na nyame de ahye nesa. That is the ultimate. There are a lot of people in his congregation now. Omuhia breakthrough in marriage, omuhia breakthrough in their business, omuhia breakthrough in their family, omuhia breakthrough in a lot of present matters. He should focus on that. No bompa yemana na chita for so that ye dini enkwati ebebo mabrabum. Na wonja akosia menu a ene ose waye sei ochina ose waye sei chese osofo mu a no kan sem gu akosia menu so me say akosia menu de hope obi a wabra na look no further because wa
Efremi Kwajo Safo Amakohene me deputy youth organizer baby youth organizer and I'm the call for chairman and I'm lusuye na ende unse o de zakati yenya to aba e de ama me ende pese ye to aba ma ewura ba omi ane se papa ne obi a obre ne ho ase na obonipa ene nkabom e wo papa ne de bi obegya kwasa bia na oka nkabom asem anu nse ade a part ne de ye hia because yantimi anka ehwa mumu a yentimi goje power no ena Ghana for twa obi obre ne ho ase ne obi katekate nti se hwe sa ne mana wo papa ne mu ene na ho brase ne nkabomu ene na adwumaden bro be vice president adwuma wo ye ya eno na yehye mimi nkran se yensa mfa nko papa ye de emra no medi party na nim every say enye ono ni pa wadi kaya okọ ye se ye nyini sinchen yensa mfa from na edu akofo compre no na na do akofo ado onso call me ensa aden na ono de wakọ ba akọ se nyini sinchen abana edu so enye ono nti na mi elusu ye na mum enema bi e call so waban ni mu ne party ni mu na ma na ye den elusu ye nye papa na pese etema na ye de elusu enti mi de se yensa hwe so no hwempre no na mse ni mpre no so no nyame be hye ne honu nyame na ultima be president and then person me and ko mo constituency and a member of parliament so ne yakasa se papa no de wo papa ne mu nti ye nyina support ye to mama ewura ba omia anu nti na hye memi nkran enim nyan delegates se wo kumo constituency se e beto abama ewura ba omia coming 31st January ama ultima be fagbera ma party
ndo akache so oni sko na ensu nyansa
yes
nyansa nti nyanum delegate from ma menum papa no nyam be ma no nyoma keto ya na meka che mo se on 31st of January Dr. Alhaji Baumia Modana Matre esi eja oba ene onko on e shem finfin me hestron hwefo ono an e shem finfin
all right di me da say he's the former Tesco president for Eugene City Campus, University of Ghana, Accra City Campus, and I'm Motorbikes in Kano. So, also, I'm the only reason why I support Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and the reason why he will also advise people to vote for him in the next election. I'm still here. We are still at Okakwe South constituency near Wosisia. Yamame, Haji Samira Bawumia, engage with the delegates. Into yesterday now, I just also want to engage some of the delegates, not many of Moncasa, and then get some feedback from them because already you're Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Abahadada, any of my engagements that are in TNA, and I am Haji Samira Bawumia. So Yes, in penny forces, penny dwari ane nso asa, but penny di oja kakra ma nkwala ne nti ye ma me haja se mira we kura nya nkwala ye ne ho kafo haja se mira ba me na oba be finish ye papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba me no. So basically that's it. So Good Shepherd Society Methodist Church and you will see here yene delegate for no engage. So I'll read what some of your text message. Wave free JD also there we won't allow MPP to come and reverse Ghana. Baby I Ghana do way.